Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of the Chapa payment provider integration for Odoo. It enables the fast, secure and online payments directly within the ERP system. It supports the ETB and the USD currency with the real-time payment confirmation and a smooth checkout experience. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just moving with the website module, and under the configuration you will find one option for the payment providers. So here you have to select this Chapa as a payment provider. So for the first step you have to enable it on a test mode, select your company and the website. After that, under the credentials you have to add your credentials. After that, I'm just going to the home page, navigating to the shop page and selecting one product to the cart and proceeding with the checkout. Now I'm selecting the Chapa as a payment method and going to pay for the same. So here you have to add the test phone number and I'm just going to pay for the same. So here you can see our payment is successful and one sale order is also created for our order. Now I'm just going to the website module, and under the configuration you can able to see your payment transactions. I'm selecting the one. So here you can see the payment method and the provider is reflected and the amount is reflected in the ETB currency. And one sale order is also created for the same. And here in the log note you can also able to track everything. After that, if you want to see the payment details, you just have to click on this. So you can able to see the payment reference over here. So this how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.